You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and the Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Today I will be doing an Indian vegetable seasoned rice with a vegan twist. Yes, an Indian vegetable seasoned rice with a vegan twist. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I have some special jasmine rice here. Alright, over here I have my onions, red onions and green scallion. I have some fresh diced carrots. I have the sazon season. I have some green peas and butter and yes, Scotch bonnet hot pepper, and of course, yes, bell peppers to assorted colors of bell peppers. So, yes, I'm going to take this cooking journey now. So I'm heading over to my stove. Flame on. Alright, so start with some butter. Just 1 stick of butter. Alright, so I'm going to introduce my red onions and my green scallion. Yes. You're watching Winston Gel. Yes. Cooking and Discovery TV. So this is my Indian vegetable. Yes. Seasoned rice with a vegan twist. Alright, this is some freshly diced carrots. So I'm going to add my carrots in here. You're watching Winston Gel. Let's cooking and Discovery TV. So that is my freshly diced carrots. And you see this in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So the carrots and the red onions and the green scallion, they're being cooked, sauteed, being cooked. Alright, so now I'm going to add my green peas. So I'm going to add my green peas in the mix. Alright, so that's my green peas. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so now I'm going to stir up. So this is my Indian vegetable seasoned rice. Yes, with a vegan twist. Carrots and peas, they're freshly alright, I'm going to add some turmeric. Yes, I'm going to add my turmeric curry. Some olive oil. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to cook while I wash the rice. Alright, so I'm going to wash the rice. Washing the rice. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, starch is gone, and whatever residue. Now, I'm going to add some other ingredients to this. I'm going to add my bell peppers. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to add some hot red Scotch bonnet pepper in here. You're watching Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. I am doing Indian vegetable seasoned rice, vegan twist. This is a hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Sazon. Add my sazon. I'm gonna add my rice. It's been washed already, which you'll see. So this is my Indian vegetable seasoned rice with a vegan twist. Alright, so now I'm going to add the water. That's it. And I'm going to add my sea salt. I'm going to add some onion powder. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And a little bit of Maggi. So now I'm going to stir it up. Alright. Now I'm going to turn the fire low and cover the pot. You're watching Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my Indian vegetable, yes, seasoned rice with a vegan twist. Alright, so I'm going to cover this and allow it to slowly cook. Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, she's just about ready. So this is my Indian vegetable seasoned rice with a vegan twist. And you see the skin light cooking live on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, give it a few more minutes before I turn off the stove. Alright. My Indian vegetable seasoned rice with a vegan twist is ready. Alright, so I'm going to share out my plate. Turn the stove up. So I'm going to share out my plate. This is a very special rice. It's very gummy. It's like gluten-free.